Hello everyone, welcome here. So in this lecture you are going to identify protected members. See, a class and parent class and child class inheritance we have seen in the previous lecture. Now see, in the access modifiers of a protected keyword, when I am using a protected keyword, PROTECTED, protected, and like one member I can go to define like a int, like what we can take it model we have taken color. So color, it's a string, so go for string. Yes, string color I have taken as a protected. Now if I want to send a color, like use this particular data class data member, how it is possible? Yes, keenly observe these particular protected member, this particular protected class member, this is the base class, as you know that base class or parent class, okay, and this is the child class. Yeah, this is the child class. When you are making as a protected, it can be eligible only inside the child class only, it won't come directly here. So when you try to hit something like a my obj, when you press the dot, no, you are not able to see that particular name of the color. So whereas you can able to access this particular like a variable here, like you see here, when you type something like what is this color, yes, COLOR, yeah, you can able to access here, it won't get any error. So if you want to fix the color name here, it is something like BLACK, yes, it is possibly you can set the value. It is possibly you can set the value at the like protected members can be accessed inside the class is one thing, and where also you can call this protected member like here at string color black, where in the derived class also you can able to call the particular this protected members. All right, for this actually like it's a, yeah, oh I'm sorry, it's under, it's a coming to the public, so directly you need to define like a function to be create and specify the value for this protected number. It's a string, not a number, it's a string. All right, I hope it's a super easy. Whenever you want to access this particular protected member, should be able to access inside the derived class only. I hope it's a super easy lecture. We'll see it in the next one. Thank you.